When things break down in your home, do you know how to fix them or who to call? Homeowners across the country run into home repair emergencies every day without a home repair plan in place. When things break down naturally over time, most homeowners don't know what's covered by their insurance or what they are responsible for. For example, homeowners are typically responsible for wires carrying electricity to outlets, fixtures, and appliances, pipes that move fresh water in and sewage out, and all heating and cooling systems, including gas lines and water heaters. Home repair emergencies often occur without warning. Being prepared with an affordable repair plan from HomeServe can help avoid the frustration of urgently locating contractors, juggling multiple bids, and finding the best price. Here's how it works. Choose from HomeServe's plumbing, electrical, and heating and cooling repair plan options. When a breakdown happens, call our 24/7 hotline and we'll send over a local, licensed, insured technician as soon as possible. We'll take care of the covered repairs and pay the bill up to the benefit amount. HomeServe has over 3.7 million customers in North America and growing. We successfully completed 450,000 jobs in the last year. That's one homeowner every 71 seconds. Plus, over the last decade, we've saved our customers over $500 million on expensive emergency repairs. To learn more and get a plan, visit us online at homeserveusa.com or call 1-855-336-2465.